Hello, in this tutorial we're going to be looking at mappings in ESA Pro 2. Mappings is a different programming method than selections and can be accessed by selecting mappings from the tab selector. Whereas in selections you target specific fixtures to apply your programming to, in mappings you apply your effects to a shape in the workspace and any fixtures residing in this shape are affected by what's happening. You can use both mappings and selections within the same scene if you wish. Once you've patched your fixtures, we can begin programming. The toolbar at the top of the workspace gives you 3 tools to draw your shapes with: a rectangle, circle, and polygon tool. To create shapes, select the desired shape, click on the workspace, and drag it to your desired dimensions. For the polygon tool, you'll need to click and drag into your desired shape. You can layer shapes on top of one another if you wish to do so. Once we've created our shapes, we can begin programming. Mappings doesn't give you access to the basic and paint blocks available in selections, but it does give you a wide selection of video effects to work with instead. Drag and drop your chosen effect onto your shape and the effect will appear on your fixtures like so. Just as with effects and selections, you have a number of parameters you can adjust to fine-tune the effect to your needs. In addition to the duration, color palette, grayscale, and transform options we discussed in the tutorial on dynamic effects, the spiral effect also has controls for rotation, allowing you to rotate the effect a full 360 degrees, and radius, which will change the radius of our spiral. We can also change how many arms the spiral has, and the gradient between colours. The fire effect will allow you to control the number of flames, their height, width, and the intensity of the hotspot. Text, as the name implies, allows you to map text to your fixtures. Enter your desired text into this field and you can then see it on your mapping. We highly recommend sticking with block capitals when using text, as it translates to the fixtures much better than lowercase. Press the F button to select your desired font. You can increase or decrease text size with this slider. A larger size over more fixtures will give you better resolution. Below this, you have the anti-aliasing checkbox. Enabling this will help to smooth the edges of your text. The direction control changes the direction your text is scrolling. Click the direction you wish for your text to scroll. The right vertically option will redistribute your text vertically. Use the vertical and horizontal offset slider to position the text on your fixtures as desired. The media effect allows you to import your own video files to be mapped. To use this, drag and drop it on your fixtures, and then select the ellipsis button from Effect Settings. This will open your file browser so you can select the file of your choice. Please note, you can only use .gif, .mp4 and .mov file formats, with resolutions less than 1280 by 780 pixels. I've selected a water GIF, and when I press play, you can see that it's been mapped to my fixtures. The color selector for this effect only allows one color. You can use the colorize slider to blend this color into your chosen video file. Of course, there are many mapping effects available that we haven't discussed here. We encourage you to check each effect and to experiment with them to find the effect perfect for your installation. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Why not check out the video coming up next?